Hey bro, hey guys, how's it going? I will talk on camera every day until get fluent in English, guys. I'm English learner and just decided to create this challenge on YouTube to record myself, to share with you and to analyze my results, to see how I will go in the future, my progress, approximately after 1,000 days. Not 1,000, 100 days. Not 1,000, guys. I'm not gonna do this shit 1,000 days. Day number 44 and I've decided to try something new. I used to take like IELTS exams, IELTS speaking questions, but today Toefl exam. But because like who knows what kind of exam will I take in the future, I want to be prepared to everything and try something, new questions, new topics. It's always interesting. Oh my gosh, what are questions? Do you prefer to pursue higher education immediately after graduation or to first gain some work experience? I will choose definitely go to some college or university after graduation of school. I have done this. Yeah, I'm in university right now, because you're not actually prepared to job, to work in life. You're not adult yet. So, and mostly guys after graduation don't really know what you want to do in life. And college is a good opportunity to surround you by good people, to find a lot of friends, to try a lot of new things, because you have like a addition to 4 years, I mean, in college, university, just to realize what you want in this life, what is good life for you. This is a great chance to try a lot of new, and even if you're not gonna be a worker in exactly in your line of study in the future, this is just not necessary in our modern society. Yeah? You can try a lot of new things while you're being in college. And just have fun, unless actually you want to spend these 4 years just clubbing, partying, drinking with friends. Just this is not a good purpose of going to college. All right, I read the text, I listened to the conversation between two people, and now I have to retell the opinion of one guy about this topic. The text was, and the conversation was about then in college, in college library, right now you can order the book online, and you can like search online all the books, all the categories, types, instead of going in real life in the library and search it by your eyes. It's not necessary right now. This guy, he explained that college have a good computer system, and right now when you order a book online, you can just search, not only title the book or movie, because when you don't remember the title, that's problem. You can just search by the actors, by the genre, by many factors like categories. And also talk about that in this system, the staff is exactly the students who can get paid for this job, and it can help them to pay for tuition or stuff like this. And this is not gonna cause some problems for university budget. New interesting task here, just retell the text, the story. I've never actually tried this practice, retelling, but this is a good point actually. Now I listened the lecture. It was really cool, and now I have to explain, using the example of the lecture, explain the cognitive dissonance theory. So cognitive dissonance theory is basically based on two different types of thinking in your brain. When, for example, the girl Anna, he loves eating meat, and he always loved meat, but in her brain, so from the time he just realized that eating meat, it's not good, because we eat the killed animals. How can we eat meat? But she continued eating meat. She got a psychologist stress. In this moment, she has to make a choice. Will she continue eat meat, or she'll stop because of killing animals, these poor animals, yeah? In this moment, when psychologist stress, she needs to explain herself one of the other side. And mostly people trying to explain it like, but that wasn't like exactly kill animals. It wasn't like from the grocery store. It was already a lot of steps. So it's not actually bad for me if it is meat. I didn't kill this animal. It's not bad. This is exactly psychologist cognitive dissonance theory. Wow, it was a really great lecture. It's not only about TOEFL exam right now. It's really educational lecture for me. Yeah, it's cool. I love this. All right, now I have to explain what is equity compensation is in a company and why companies might offer it to employees. Equity compensation is when a company officially suggests the employees not only get a salary after a month or some quarterlies or a year, but also the employee, the worker, can get the percent of the stock market of this company. You know what I'm saying? When the employee basically like being the owner, but in a small, really small percent, and the company can offer this just to keep the employee in this business, to motivate them to work more hard, because if the company will grow up by the think of employees, then employee will get more percent of being in this company. This kind of lecture was it. All right, I hope I wasn't too boring. Sorry. It was Toefl speaking test. Really cool. I love it. 4 questions only for first, the same like in IELTS. You need to think and then answer the direct question. And then 3, this like about listening and reading. You need to retell the story, what you listen on, what you read. It's fantastic. I love it, guys. It's cool. I'll practice this. I'll practice this in the future, definitely. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.